Ever wondered why your vitamin C serum doesn't give you the results it promises? Well, it might not be the vitamin C serum itself, it's more about how you're using it. Today we're going to talk about the do's and don'ts of using a face serum so that you can get the most of your skincare routine and see real visible results. And yes, I'm also going to be sharing my current favorite vitamin C obsession, which is affordable and effective. So make sure you stick around if bright and radiant skin are your goals this summer. Okay, so let's kick things off with my current favorite serum. This is Himalaya Brightening Vitamin C Orange Face Serum. What I love is that it's powered by 5 times vitamin C, 10 times niacinamide and natural orange extract. So you're not just getting bright skin, but so many more benefits all in this one serum. The texture is so lightweight, so it works even if you have oily skin like me. I use it right after cleansing, just 2 to 3 drops on damp skin, and it absorbs super fast without any stickiness. Look at how amazing my skin looks after applying the serum. The serum unlocks skin's natural brightness from day 3 itself. And the best part, this layers beautifully under your sunscreen and makeup. So whether you're a skincare minimalist or someone who likes a full beat, you can totally fit this in your AM and PM routine. So if you want to try it out, I'm going to link it in the description box below. It's available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart and on Himalaya's app and website. So click the link in the description to grab yours at a special discount. Alright, so now let's talk about the do's of using a face serum, because trust me, these steps either make or break the results. The first do is to apply a serum on damp skin. Serums absorb better when applied on damp skin. Not dripping wet, but that post-cleansing, gently patted kind of damp. This helps the active ingredients absorb better and deeper into your skin. The second do is to follow the correct order. First you need to cleanse your skin, then apply a toner if that's something that we use. Then you need to apply a serum, followed by a moisturizer and a sunscreen. Layering correctly ensures that your serum isn't diluted or blocked by heavier products and you get the most out of it. The third do is to start slow with actives. If your serum contains actives like vitamin C, retinol or acids, don't go overboard with it. Start with 2 to 3 times a week and observe how your skin responds to it. Consistency is key, not quantity. The fourth do is to store your serums correctly. Now, especially with ingredients like vitamin C, make sure to store it in a cool and dark place, and make sure to always close the lid very tightly so that your serum does not get oxidized and lose its potency. Alright, those were all the do's. Now let's talk about the don'ts, because even the best of serums can backfire if used in the wrong way. The first don't is to not use too much. More isn't always better. Using a full dropper of serum can overwhelm your skin and cause pilling and skin irritation. So stick to just 2 to 3 drops of serum and gently pat it into your skin for effective results. The second don't is mixing clashing actives. So avoid layering vitamin C with AHAs, BHAs and retinol in the same routine unless the product is specially formulated for it. But if you're unsure, then keep it simple and alternate it between your morning and night routine. The third don't is skipping your moisturizer. Yes, even oily skin needs moisturization after applying a serum. Serums are not moisturizers, they help to treat your skin, but they do not help to seal the hydration into your skin. Skipping this step can actually make your skin dry and irritated, so never do that. Always follow your serum with a moisturizer. The fourth don't is skipping your sunscreen. Please do not do that. Ingredients like vitamin C and other actives make your skin photosensitive, so it makes your skin more sensitive to the sun. So you always have to apply SPF before stepping out, or even if you're indirectly exposed to the sun, you need to have sunscreen on during the daytime. So those were all the do's and don'ts of applying a face serum. Now let me just bust some common myths and give you some bonus tips of using a face serum. Myth number 1 is that you cannot use vitamin C serum daily, but the truth is you can. Just make sure it's stable and your skin tolerates it. The Himalaya Vitamin C Serum is safe for daily use. Myth number 2 is that serums give instant results. Well, that's not how it works. The truth is that you might see some glow instantly, but the real transformation happens within 4 to 6 weeks of consistent use. So don't give up too early and make sure you use your serums consistently. Now here's a bonus tip. If you want better results, try layering your vitamin C serum using the sandwich technique. That is your serum between your toner and moisturizer. This helps to seal every everything in and keeps your skin hydrated for longer. So there you have it, your complete guide to getting the most out of your face serum. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and share this video with all of your skincare obsessed best friends, and you can subscribe to my channel for more such beauty videos. So if you're curious to try the Himalaya Vitamin C Serum, check out the link in the description box below. I have mentioned it there. And with that, I'm gonna wrap up today's video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.